Hello everyone, Clarence here from Chronologic, and today I'm here to teach you how to automate locked or SAFT token sendings. It is possible to utilize Automate's capabilities to deal with locked tokens that might be arriving from a SAFT or even from a pool, where someone will be sending tokens to your address in the future. One case example would be the following. The user is an OTC broker or SAFT holder that has tokens and they want to automate the transfer to the person they sold their SAFT to get tokens within minutes of them being distributed. Meaning, imagine that someone that is receiving tokens in the future this one time sold all of them before they were even set out to go in the market, and he wants to be hands off whenever they come. So in this case, he will automate all the transactions which would trigger them to go out whenever he gets the tokens, thus creating a fast and seamless process for himself and his clients. Before we automate any transactions, let me first teach you how to add a custom ERC20 token in MyEtherWallet. The purpose of adding custom ERC20 token is that you will be able to use it later on whenever starting to sign the transactions for this specific token that is locked yet. You need to sign in to your wallet first. After you have signed into your wallet, you can see the token section on the right side of the page. If your token is not on the list, click on Add Custom Token. So when adding a custom token, it needs a token contract address, token symbol, and decimals. You can get these info on Etherscan or Explorer. Please also make sure that you're adding and signing transactions for the correct asset. Maybe double checking on the project's documents or with the assets team. So you can be absolutely sure that you have the correct contract address so the correct asset is scheduled. So in Etherscan, click on Tokens, click ERC Top 20 Tokens, search for your token in the search bar. I'll just use date token as an example for this tutorial. You can add any ERC20 token here that you like as long as you have the contract address. So click the token. You can see the contract address here. Copy it and then paste the contract address in MyEtherWallet and add the token symbol of your token in decimals. Click Save. Now that you have your custom ERC20 token added in MyEtherWallet account, let's proceed to generating and signing offline transaction. Before we proceed, I'll show you that I made a spreadsheet with all the info that I need. For example, the transaction number, the from address which the assets or payments will be coming from, the address that I'm going to send my assets to, the asset name, the amount that I'll be sending, the nonce number, the signed transaction, and the automate link. You can also create a spreadsheet like this for your future reference. So going back to MyEtherWallet, click on Send on the left side of the page. Click Send Offline. Search the ERC20 token that you have added earlier here in the drop-down menu. So we'll choose Date token. Copy the amount that you have in your spreadsheet. Then paste it in MyEtherWallet. Put the address of the receiver which you're going to send the ERC20 tokens to. For gas limit, put 200,000. Since this is a new wallet, the nonce number will start at 0 and then will increase by 1 for the next transactions. 50 for the gas price, and then click Generate Transaction. Here you have the signed transaction. You need to copy the signed transaction for Automate. After getting the signed transaction in MyEtherWallet, let's set the conditional scheduling in Automate. Paste the signed transaction here. After you've pasted the signed transaction in Automate, we will now set the condition. In the condition section, we will put here the trigger amount. So for example, once the source wallet will receive 50,000 day tokens, then it will going to trigger the transaction for you. You don't need to do anything else. No need to set the time scheduling function because these transactions will trigger once the source wallet receives certain amount of asset. Click Schedule. And then copy the automate link and paste it in your spreadsheet. Let's do two more signed transactions. Copy the amount that you're going to send, paste it in MyEtherWallet. Copy the to address from your spreadsheet, paste it in MyEtherWallet. Change the nonce number, generate transaction, copy the signed transaction, paste it in your spreadsheet, and paste it in Automate. Set the conditional scheduling. Click Schedule. Copy the Automate link, paste it in your spreadsheet. Let's do another one. Copy the amount that you're going to send, paste it in MyEtherWallet. Copy the to address from your spreadsheet, paste it in MyEtherWallet. Change the nonce number, generate transaction, copy the signed transaction, paste it in your spreadsheet, and paste it in Automate. Set the conditional scheduling. Click Schedule. Copy the Automate link, paste it in your spreadsheet. So I'm going to fast forward this video and schedule all the transactions in my spreadsheet. And that's how you automate locked or SAFT token sendings. Now let's review the steps that we did earlier. Access your MyEtherWallet account. Add a custom ERC20 token. Search the token contract address in Etherscan. Sign offline transactions for Automate. Set conditional scheduling in Automate. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something today. Join us in our Telegram group. Follow us on Twitter. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it. This has been Clarence from Chronologic, and see you next time.